With careful planning and clever design, you can make your small bathroom look beautiful and luxurious. Maximizing the floor area can really open up a small bathroom and make the compact space feel not just bigger and well-functioning, but stylish too. Think about installing wall-mounted toilets and vanities to keep the floor as clean and empty as possible. This will also create the illusion of a bigger space. Placing wall niches in the shower and above the vanity will not only help increase storage space, but looks modern and tidy too. A mirror storage unit will make your bathroom clean and uncluttered. You could even use a full-height mirrored cabinet to provide ample storage space. The use of vertical tiles can make a room look bigger, or you could use matching floor and wall tiles to create a continuous look and enhance the space. Large format tiles or porcelain slabs often make a small bathroom look bigger. They have fewer grout lines, which means less maintenance, as well as creating a striking high-end look. Large mirrors will help reflect light around the room and make the room look bigger and more open. You could use a focal point and angle the mirror towards it to give the illusion of depth. Shower bathtub combinations are not the most stylish design option, but they can free up limited floor space if having a bathtub is a must. Keep the room feeling open by not crowding too many things into it. Use a frameless clear shower glass instead of curtains to ensure the space remains light, bright, and uncluttered, and looks more modern too. Eliminate the curb around your shower to keep a flowing, seamless look. Curbless showers are also easier to clean. If you are really tight on space, you could use pocket doors that retract into the wall to save space. Using pocket or barn-style doors should really be a last resort, as they are not very efficient at hiding bathroom sounds and smells. Adding an accent wall is a great way to add style and visual interest to a small bathroom, and is the perfect opportunity to add some color. Whether you use some or all of these small bathroom design tips, have fun with your creativity and be sure to bring your personality into the design, so that you can make it a place where you can feel comfortable and relax. If you enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.